This is model LG LRTLS 2403. This unit has a built-in water filter and a water dispenser. So right here, you'll put your cup and then push on this tab, okay? You will have some residual water coming down through the tube, so leave it there for a couple extra seconds. And then inside, we've got our water filter that can be changed just by turning counterclockwise, and then it'll drop down. You will have a little bit of residual water, which is normal. Just wipe that up with a paper towel. And then to get that back into place, you'll kind of push up and then turn clockwise, and it'll lock back into place. Inside, if the filter does need replaced, this light will illuminate to show you that the filter needs replaced. If you are not getting water out of the dispenser, it's probably because this button has been pressed and it's showing that this is locked. So just depress that and you'll be able to get water out. Okay? Shelves are adjustable. They will just slide out. Now, on each shelf, there is a point that you have to kind of lift the back up to pull forward. Okay? So there's little notches here that kind of catch the shelf so that it kind of stays in place. So what you do is just lift up the back and pull forward. Okay? Bottom crisper is pretty straightforward. Okay? You do have humidity control. Vegetables, less humidity. Fruits, vegetables are higher humidity. Fruits are less humidity, And then just traditional storage here on the refrigerator door. Inside, you've got in the freezer compartment, you've got your ice maker, okay? So the ice will fill to a point and then the little arm here will turn off and shut the ice production. If you are leaving, there is an on-off button right here, okay? So when you turn that on, it'll show that the ice maker is on. If you're leaving, turn off that ice so you don't have ice that's inadvertently making. What will happen if you don't go through a lot of ice and it goes through a frost-free defrost? What'll happen is that ice will fuse together. So if you have that fusing together of ice, that's because you're not going through a lot of ice. It's a good idea to shake that ice up and keep that nice free flow of ice. Otherwise, it will turn into a block of ice. You'll have to remove it and throw that ice away.